Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today we are showing another practical of our Windows Series Server 2016. Right now you can see this is our Server 2016 is our main DC, and this is our member server. Right now client is logged on that member server. Member server is also our client server. So first the today practical is group policy management practical. We have already but recently the group policy management. So how to we can add the group policy and organization level unit, how we can assign group policy on organization unit. So let's start. First go to Active Directory and users computer. You can see this is our organization is IT, and this is our unit is our username. Username is Tushar Prajapati, and I have set the password. Now I have to set the group policy on the IT, and that will send it will be automatically assign this user, because the Tushar 192.187 user already included in ID. Suppose we are including one more user, so group policy will be automatically assigned to another user. But right now we are checking for only one user, and right now you can see the Tushar 1987 user already log in, and you can see here the desktop icon recycle bin. Once the group policy assigned at organization, then we can sign out and sign in, and this this recycle bin icon will be removed by group policy. So let's start. First go to close this, go to tools and group policy management. And you can see the default controller policy, and here is a IT, our organization unit. Okay, then right click on our OU and create GPO in this domain, and object name is remove recycle bin icon. Okay, now you can see the policy is defined. Now edit it, go to whenever you assign to the this, then you have to go at user configuration, not to the computer configuration. You have to go user configuration, then policies, then administrative templates. Then go to desktop. Now you can see here different kind of policy. Remove my document, but we can see that right now we have not any license OS, so we have not activating Windows, so we can see only recycle bin icon over desktop. So that's why we are configuring the recycle bin icon. Right click it and edit it. Now viewer is not configured, then we have to clear the enable. Once enable, I click apply and OK. Now policy has been enabled. Now one more thing that we have to do, perform, is gp update /force. Meanwhile, we are sign out our desktop, which is already Tushar login, Tushar1987. You can see. So now group policy has been successfully completed. Now you can log in member server again. Now you can see there is no any recycle bin icon on our desktop, because we have run the group policy to remove the recycle bin icon from our client, which we are included in the IT organization unit. So Tushar Prajapati is included in IT organization unit and have he has not rights to use the remove recycle bin icon. Same while we can use another icon, but due to this is a temporary, is have a system have is not license OS, so we cannot see the another desktop icon. Because there is an issue, I can show you why we are not showing. You can see here Windows is not activated right now. I will activate in will soon. You can see this icon is disabled. Once I will activate, then it will. So I will do on another practical, but for the practical purpose it's okay, but we can do the recycle bin icon. Okay, now this practical is finished. Similarly, you can do another practical, remove network icon from the desktop, remove the another my computer icon. We can do all the desktop icon remove by using group policy. So hope you guys like this video. Then if it's good, then like this video and share is possible more and more people, and subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Thanks for the day.